Do you like Chicago? Because I like Chicago. Alright, what is going on, guys? So, I think I'm going to end up calling this Truck Thursday. I'm thinking about doing Truck Tuesday, Truck Thursday, something that starts with a T on Tuesday, but I think Truck Thursday works the best. Where basically, I want to talk about something with my truck, whether it's a modification, something maintenance-wise, just something cool going on in the community or whatever. Just something that I kind of want to just start like a community with. So basically on this first episode, I will be doing the Resonator delete on my 2007 Duramax. I'm by no means a mechanic. Much better cosmetically working with vehicles than mechanically. But Resonator delete is a very easy thing to do, as I will show you. And basically it cleans up the engine bay a little bit. Some people say it gives you better throttle response, which I don't know. But it's just like one of those easy mods that you could do to just kind of modify your truck. And here's what happened. What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove this resonator on any Duramax engine. First things first, just gotta unscrew this bolt right here. Just gotta unscrew that. Could just lift up. Make sure nothing else is in there. That's not going anywhere. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't already, since I will be making a video every single day. Thank you, take care, and have a nice day.